In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scale in Affinity Designer. By the end, you'll know how to resize shapes quickly and precisely, whether you prefer dragging handles or entering exact dimensions. Start by opening the Affinity Designer app on your computer. Once it's up, make sure you're in a document where you can see your canvas clearly. If you like working with guides or a grid, turn those on so you can better judge size and alignment, but it's not required. The key is simply having your workspace visible and ready. Now click on the shape you want to scale. When the shape is selected, you'll see a bounding box with handles appear around it. That bounding box is your main visual cue that the object is active and ready to be resized. If you're working with multiple layers, confirm the right object is highlighted in the Layers panel so you don't accidentally scale the wrong item. To scale using the canvas, drag any corner or edge of the bounding box. Corners resize in two directions at once, while edges resize along a single axis. If you want to keep the shape's proportions consistent, hold the Shift key while dragging a corner. If you'd like to scale from the center outward, hold Alt or Option while you drag. You'll notice snapping lines if snapping is enabled. Those can help you align to other objects or the canvas center for cleaner results. For precise control, look to the Transform panel in the bottom right area of the interface. With your shape still selected, you'll see fields labeled W and H for width and height. Type the exact size you need. Numbers can include decimals, and you can switch units if your document supports them. If you want to keep proportions locked as you type, click the lock icon between W and H before entering a new value. That way, changing one dimension automatically adjusts the other. You can also use the small up and down controls to nudge the values in fine increments. A quick tip as you scale. If your shape has a stroke, you may notice the stroke getting visually thicker or thinner relative to the shape. Check your stroke or appearance settings if you want strokes to scale along with the object or remain constant. That's it. Open your document, select the shape, scale by dragging handles for a quick resize, and use the Transform panel to dial in exact width and height. With these two methods, you can move fast when exploring ideas and get precise when finalizing your design.